Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is how to display current date and time in Python. Many times when building applications, we need to make use of the current date and time. So today I'll be showing how to do that. First, we will need to import the necessary modules. So here I will be going to import the datetime module. Let us create a variable to hold the data. I'll be creating a variable called curTime, and this will have the information from datetime.datetime.now, which returns the necessary information regarding the today's date and time. So let us try to see what information now this current time variable has. I'm now going to create a few print statements. The values that can be seen are the day, the year, the month, the hour, the minute, seconds and milliseconds. So I will create the print statements for all of them and run the script. The date when this video was recorded is actually 13th August and in the afternoon around 12:49 there. So actually when we print now, we can see that the corresponding date has been printed. We can also see that the time has been printed correctly when we run the script. So now we are able to obtain all the information using this line of code. Let us also see how we can obtain just the time. So now we will use another module. So let's import the time module. Then let's create a variable called time now and let's assign the function to it. When we assign the function, we also need to be specific about the string format for how to display the time. So the hours, the minutes and then the seconds. And now if we print the time now variable, we can see the time being displayed on the terminal screen. So now all information has been displayed on the terminal screen. This is how we can get the current date and time. Hope you all found this video useful and thanks for watching.